talk more about that a little bit later on. How about you, Nigel?
John, thank you. An Army veteran who lost nearly everything after a car crash gained a new set of wheels to get him back to work. Cassidy Armstrong suffered a back injury during a training drill and chose to continue with his deployment in Iraq. The injury eventually forced him to medically retire. Now he's a personal trainer. But a car accident left him unable to drive to work. Thanks to a local car repair shop and insurance company, he was handed keys to a newly restored car.
What does this car mean to you?
It means I can get back on my feet. You know, I just lost my vehicle last year, and my business has been slowing down, and this is going to put me back to where I fell off last year. So I'm very happy, very happy.
State Farm provided the Honda Civic, which was restored by technicians at Caliber Collision. The Recycled Rides program has provided over 300 cars to people in need of reliable transportation.